Wow. It's been a long time.
3,
but anyway,
2,
I know
1.
you still love those corny jokes and riddles. Boy, is it hot out here. I just got in from Hobby Lobby.
No.
You know, I get around. But anyway, I saw a guy in there and he said, do you know that urban chef? I said, yes, I do. He said, the next time you see him, tell him this joke. I said, okay, hit me with it. Okay, urban chef, the guy in Hobby Lobby, he said, what do you call a green vegetable that escapes from prison? And I said, first of all, I didn't know that vegetables went to prison for crimes.
What?
But anything's possible. He said, but what do you call one? I said, what do you call it? He said, an escapee. You get it, a green vegetable? An escapee instead of an escapee? Anyway, Urban Chef, you guys watch him. Tune into YouTube and Facebook and TikTok. He's hilarious, the funny ass chef. And promote world peace. He said an escapee. All right, Urban Chef, I'll see you.